Today I want to talk about how long evaporative cooling media or pads should last. And with proper maintenance and care, evaporative cooling pads should last you at least 5 years. Proper maintenance includes letting the pads dry after each use, so letting the fan run for a little bit so it can dry the water off the pads. It includes flushing the pads with a garden hose, including the reservoir, to get any mineral buildup or debris that's left behind out. It also means that if you do have environments where you've got mineral-rich water or hard water, or you're in an area like we are today in a crating department where there's a lot of debris present, that you up that cleaning schedule so you clean it more regularly. In the end, the pads could probably last you more than 5 years, but after 5 years, their effectiveness goes down. As time goes on and those minerals and debris deposit inside the pads, then they can harden. And when they harden, they don't hold as much water. So the less water that these pads are holding, the less evaporation that happens and the less cooling power that you have.